Okay, so this is OBS Studio. Just Google OBS Studio, click on the one that comes up, and then install either on Windows or Mac. Pretty easy. And now I'm going to switch over my input so you can actually look at what it looks like to use OBS Studio. There we go. Okay, so yours isn't going to be like replicated like this a million times, but what you're seeing on the bottom of the screen down there is what I see on the bottom of my screen, and this is how I set up everything. It just, since I'm like recording the screen, then the recording of the screen is recording the screen, the recording of the recording of the screen is recording the screen, and at the end you see the secrets of the universe. So what you'll do, I think yours will start looking something like probably this. Starts like this. So what you want to do is you want to add down here. You can't see it because I don't have display capture on. This is going to get confusing. So down here in this sources, sources is basically where everything that you want to record comes from. So you want an audio source, you want a video source, and you probably want to show what's on your computer screen. If you're just making a video of yourself, then it's just an audio source and a video source. If you're making a video of like a PowerPoint or something that you want to show, then you want to bring in your display as well. And then maybe you, maybe not. I don't know. It's up to you. But things I read say like, oh, we love instructor presence, and then like adding you in the corner totally ticks the box for instructor presence for online students. I feel like my in-person students just are tired of me, so sometimes I don't do it for them. Okay, so in sources where you're going to add everything to build your video. So you just click on the plus right here, and you can add a display. So you can create new, and the first time you go through this, that's definitely going to be the thing that you do because you don't have any saved. I've got some existing. I've got like computer screen and display capture. We'll just do display capture 2 here. We'll click OK. And then you're going to have to choose what you want. So you can choose, if you have multiple monitors, clicking this display right here will choose which monitor you want. And you just click OK. I'm going to not display that one right now so you can see what's going on. Oh, this is going to get crazy. Okay, so if you add a source, you want to add a video capture device. And just the same way that I have other things, I have good cam, and I also have bad cam, but it kind of defaults to that, so I don't ever add one in. This is my good camera. And so for our new video capture device, it's probably going to default to, yeah, this one, which should be this camera over here. That doesn't seem like it's working. If you ever have one that's not working and you want to look at the settings, highlight what you have and go to the little gear right there. There it is. There's my, this is the one that's just on my laptop. You can see it's not as good. But now there's 2 of me. So this will add a display capture. You can have multiples of those. You can also totally see how you might not always want to use your laptop camera. Okay, let's get rid of that. There's too many of those. All right, so that's gone. And then your audio input capture, we can add another one of those too. Go to audio input capture, and you can click OK.
Okay.
And then
And then you
you
just
just
have
have
to
to choose
choose
the
the
device.
device.
We can add this device, and now everything's going to sound really bad because that needs to go away. I think it's going away when I do that. Yeah, I hope so. Hopefully I didn't ruin the audio for this whole thing. So that's how you add all those different types of displays. There's a couple other things that you might want. If you want audio from your computer, it's not going to come through. You have to choose audio output capture. So just like we did audio input capture, which is like your microphone, you have to do audio output capture, which is what your computer wants to play. So if we do audio output capture, I will choose, I think everything's being routed through my Yeti right now, which is this guy. So I'm going to choose that. We're going to hope that this works. And then I should be able to come over here. I'll turn on my other display capture. Here's some vaporwave music that I've been listening to, and it should come through. Yeah. Here's the audio output capture. Okay. Why not? And I need to get rid of my display capture so you can see. Okay, so that's pretty much where you're going to add everything. Is there anything else in here that you need? I don't think so. Not for just like beginning basics. So that's OBS Studio. Right over here, this is where you start recording and stop recording. You can live stream if you want to do like Twitch gaming. I don't know. Maybe you're into that. So you can start and stop right here. That's pretty much all you need to know. I mean, that's it. If you have a Windows machine, it knows to store all of these videos in your videos folder. So you just kind of look there and it stores them. For Mac, I don't know. But it's probably somewhere similar that makes sense. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you have questions, you should ask me. Okay.